Hi, I'm Hercules, and last night, while charging my tablet and watching videos, I touched the charger and went, "Yow, why is this thing so warm? Is it trying to cook my desk?" But don't worry, I didn't panic. I did what every curious superhero in training would do. I went full science mode. Let me tell you what I found. So imagine your charger is like a pizza delivery guy. It grabs electricity from your wall, the big, powerful kind, and then quickly runs it over to your device, but only after shrinking it down to a level your phone or tablet can handle. That shrinking process? It's called power conversion, and it's kind of like turning a wild horse into a tame pony. Your device can't take wild energy, it needs nice, neat little power packages. But this process isn't perfect. Just like running or working out makes you hot from all the effort, converting energy makes the charger heat up, especially if you're charging a big battery, like a tablet or laptop. You're using your device while charging, double trouble. Or the charger is cheap or old and not very good at cooling itself. Inside that little plastic box is a team of tiny electrical parts working super hard, like elves in a workshop. And when they work, they make heat. Some heat is totally normal, like a light bulb warming up. But if your charger gets really hot, like burning to touch hot, that could be a sign of a bad charger or something wrong. Time to swap it out. So next time you notice your charger heating up, just smile and say, "Hey little charger, you're just working hard like a champ. Just don't tuck it under your pillow. Let it breathe."